What's up, everyone? What you're looking at right now is our custom bundle builder. We have tested this with agency clients and it is a conversion booster. It's going to increase your AOV and it's coming at a perfect time right before the most busiest time of the season, Q4. Now, the benefit of this bundle builder is that it's a section. All you have to do is go to our app, purchase it, and you can add it to your store in one click. You could add it to any page that you want. Now, you'll be happy to know there is 0 third-party apps involved. That means no bloated code, no poor performance, and no slowed load time. Everything you see here is done 100% in native Shopify. Everything is mobile first, customizable, and dynamic. Now, I'm going to show you how it works, so follow along. It's super simple. Beginning with the products, the way we show products dynamically in this bundle builder is it's attached to a collection. So all you have to do is create a collection like you see here and then call it dynamically. And what we'll do is we'll automatically show those products in the bundle builder. Next, this is based off of Shopify automatic discounts. So what we have here is buy one, save 5%, buy two, save 10, buy three, save 15. And the way that works, again, it's super simple. You go into the back end and you create your discounts. Now, looking into the actual discount, we will show you how to do this. When you purchase this bundle builder, you will get a document. It's incredibly simple. Create your discount code, one-time purchase, give it the amount that you want off, and then apply the minimum quantities. It's so simple. Once you've done that, you then come back into the customizer, and you'll notice for buy 4, you click on the bundle step, you put the discount code that we just saw, you put the percent you want off, and then you show the text. Now, this is a super customizable bundle builder. Beginning from the top, if you want to add an incentive, like a free gift to get people to add to cart, you can do that. And this is going to incentivize users to purchase from you. So think wisely here. Your goal is to increase average order value. But if you have a low-hanging fruit product that you can give away for free, it's going to incentivize people to purchase from you. And considering that we're going into Q4, it might be a good idea to start thinking about that now. What can you give away for free to incentivize people to purchase from you? Now, as I said, guys, it's fully customizable. I could probably make a 1-hour-long video on all the customizations, but you can edit everything you see here, even like the background color. If you want it green, if you want it yellow, you could change the icon text. Even this blue box that you see here, you can edit every single thing about it. Now, outside of the free gift, we have some other important things. On desktop, you could choose to show it in 2 columns. You could choose to show it in 1 column. It's totally up to you. And as I said, it's also mobile first. So on mobile, you could also choose 1 column or you could choose 2 columns. As we scroll down, you'll notice there's a lot of editing options. And the idea here is we don't want to overwhelm you, but we also want to give you the tools if you do want to customize it to your liking. Even the product card background. So if you want it to be any type of background color, you could do it. You could do the drop-down settings, and you have all these different options that are going to allow you to customize your bundle builder, even from the call to action, even from the button text when someone removes it from the bundle. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the actual page. So you'll notice here, when you buy 1, it's save 5%. But when you buy 4, it's save 20%. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So before I do that, I'm going to hide the bar here. And we've added some really cool things. So you'll notice as I add to the bundle, you get that notification. It looks crisp, it looks clean, it's lightning fast. Here, you see what you're saving in real time. When I add another to the product, you see what you're saving. If I add another thing to the bundle, you see what you're saving. If I add the 4th, you'll see that you get 20% off. Now, the good thing is they can remove, they can add quantity, and when you look at the pricing, you'll notice that it is dynamic as well. So we've thought of everything. Now, the idea here is we want to keep it super simple. We want to keep it mobile first. When you add it to the cart, it's automatically going to redirect to the checkout. And when it goes to the checkout, you'll notice that 20% is automatically applied. If you're looking to maximize your sales, if you're looking to increase your average order value, I highly recommend getting this bundle builder. It's an asset that every store should use. You can add it to any page that you want. And as you know, once you purchase from us, we give you lifetime support. If you have any questions, if you have any issues, we will work with you. We will make sure that everything is working and is in good standing order. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And again, any questions, comment below and have a great day.